So hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is a 60 watt max output type C to C cable. So you can see this is very small box, but it's very okay. Let's see what's inside. Wait a second. Oh, great. So this is our product and it's very heavy and good. I think this is a braided cable and you can see type C to C, and this company mentioned 5 speed for data transfer, or you can charge your phone. So let me on. This is a braided cable and I think this is great, and this is enough long so I can transfer my data from my PC to my phone easily. So this is useful. You can buy type C to C cable. It's very convenient if you have one. So type C to C is now very important if you have a laptop, and you can use in my PC phone